Is the elliptical shape there? We taken there. Now we will change into the diamond. We will try to have a sequence there. So making that shape as well. So let's keep editing these shapes, changing the angle there. I will take that other one. So we'll use that one. That it is we have made here. Can make again the similar shapes on that surface.